This is going to be a super quick video, but I just wanted to show you all of the tips and tricks that I used in this baseboard, so that if you have something like this, it's an end, a round corner, and a coping, you can do it and it'll come out really nice and professional. So this is the area where I did the baseboard, and as you can see, it ends here for the closet that I'm doing, and it has a return. So I have a round corner, which I did here to get started first. Well, let's start here. As you can see, this is how it'll end up looking. I didn't want to have like a very abrupt stop here, so what I used in this corner, or in this edge, was a return, is what it's called. So you do a 45-degree going inwards towards where you go. This is the end of the 45, and then you're gonna cut a little 45-degree here, which is gonna end up being like a return, and it closes and finishes beautifully here. And then right here we have the round corner, but as you can see, I did this nice corner, which is 22 and a half degrees on each side. This from here to here is 1 inch. So when you cut, you're gonna have your mark at 1 inch width, and then 22 and a half here, 22 and a half on this side, and then this one, the ones that match are also going to be 22 and a half on the end here, and this one too. And then on this end we have coping. This is the end piece over here at the very end. This end piece has straight cuts to go right there, but this one I did at 45 and just went with my miter and took off like a tiny little bit so that it's not straight completely. You can see here, this is straight completely. This one right here, I just took off a little bit of the edge just so that it's not so like rough at the end, because I didn't want to do this type of edge right there. So I didn't want to deal with that, but that finishes there. And then here, the one that's gonna come and close off here has coping. So for the coping, see if I can. For the coping, I did this. I did a 45-degree angle, looking outward. And then I cut off that end, and that's how it looks in the back. Kind of chopped, but in the end it looks like this. And that's gonna hug that baseboard over there at the corner. I still need to nail it, fill it, caulk it, and just finish it all. But this is how good it looks right now. If you want to know more of how I do this, I have lots of videos showing you. So subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you want to know next. Take care.